Hello, I'm Sean with NVR, and today we're going to be talking about how to winterize your hose bibs. It's 4 simple steps, so follow along.
Before we begin, I'd like to point out that some valves might look different depending on the area of the country you're living. Please consult with the customer care department if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.
Please locate your hose bib shutoff valves. You'll notice that each hose bib shutoff valve has a corresponding location to a hose bib on the exterior of the home. Next, you'll have your lever valve. This turns water on or off to your exterior hose bib. Please note that it is currently in the off position because it is perpendicular to the line. The last thing I'd like to point out is the bleeder valve located on the side of your hose bib valve. This is used to help drain water from the line during winterization. Okay, let's get started. The first step in winterizing your hose bibs is turning off the water. You can do so by placing one hand above or below the valve and slowly move the lever until it's perpendicular to the line. When you're finished, it should look exactly like it does on the screen. Here's an example of someone placing the valve in the close position. This completes the first step. The next step will require you to go outside to the corresponding hose bib. Based on the tag, locate the hose bib on the exterior of the home. To complete the second step, you'll slowly open the valve, turning it counterclockwise. Don't be surprised if water does not come out at this point. However, if this is located in some area that you don't want to get wet, be sure to place a bucket under the hose bib before completing the third step. After this, head back into the valve. Heading back into the home where you performed the first step, locate the bleeder valve on the side. Slowly turn it counterclockwise 1/4 to 1/2 turn. You should start to hear a little bit of a hissing sound. This is water exiting the line on the exterior of the home. Leave the valve open until the hissing stops. Be prepared for water to come out of the bleeder valve. Have a towel or a bucket ready. Here's an example of someone opening the bleeder valve. Please note that the location of the valve can determine how much water comes out. In some scenarios, no water will come out and you'll hear a slight hissing sound. When the hissing is done, close the bleeder valve. You have now just winterized your hose bibs. Congratulations. Thanks again for joining us, and please be sure to check out some of our other how-to videos.